Hi guys, my air compressor, the breather valve came off while I was using the air compressor, and all oil came out from the compressor. This is the go like this cover, aluminum cover go on this. Breather valve came out, and half of the oil came out. On I have to stop this air compressor, and I thought I'm going to fill it up with new oil. So this is side plug. This is a new one I ordered. The previous one is snapped off as well. I just turned with the normal screw, normal wrench, 22 mil wrench, and it's snapped off. So I have to order a new one. Now I'm going to take this. I already taken 4 bolts which are holding this compressor housing pump as well with this compressor body. I took this 4 bolts out with nuts as well underneath. Cover off to check more anything fault with this or anything need doing, because I need to go and check these 2 pumps, piston inside and pumps as well. They need any rings or compressor oil rings or anything needed, we're gonna change it. There's I took already 4 bolts on this one, and there already 1 bolt behind is left out, and same with the other side. And these are the wire which was attached to this is switch. I took the cover as well, and these I took the wire from this location, earth wire from here as well, and 2 more power and wires I took out from here, removed. Phillips screwdriver in here, and also other side 2 more screws other side which is holding this plastic cover on top. This will come out, remove. And also I mentioned this as well, I took this, remove this air pressure pipe which is connected here, and also this pressure switch, another pipe connected, I removed. Removing this Phillips screw now with a washer. Same with this one as well. I made 2 more on the side which holding this compressor body in one place. And this got no washers on this one, this is without washers, and this got big, as you can see all there, which this is for adjustment, you can adjust it back and forth. Now I need to push this cover back with all the screw from this side to this one as well, and also 2 for the side, 2 including the side, sorry, being removed. I just need to push this cover back, and there's a switch there. You got 2 wires going around. I'm going to remove that as well. This is emergency switch which goes in here, and there's this is knot, I say plastic knot which holding this emergency switch in place. Just turning down, you just need simple, just anti-clockwise take it off. And now these are 2 compressors I need to take out. There's 10 mil socket you can use, and to remove the head, and this big punjo knot which holding this pipe need removing, and same with other side as well. This is a compressor, another second compressor on the side, need removing 10 mil 4 bolts which holding this compressor head. Already taken this 10 mil bolts out, and these are bolts which came out from here, and this is the last one, is just need taking out. Now this top head cover is removed. This is inside. And this is a valve system they made on this air compressor. Just put it out like this and put in this order top of this. There's a, as you can see, tiny hole there which is aligned with this valve system. And this goes, put it on here in this order. Remove this. There's a small pins there on top of here. Tiny screws, very small tiny pins which holding this valve system. Just need to remove. Yeah, put in here, same place. Same with this one. I'm going to clean this all detergent, and this is a gasket for this air compressor. This is a valve system inside sleeve. I'm going to check it more, anything need replacing, rings or no. I'm going to remove this star key bolt which holding this cylinder. One this here, cylinder holder which all this piston sleeve inside as well. You need there's two bolts going around, and for this bolt you need to use number 6 torque set to remove your cylinder. And this all gasket which holding cylinder and bottom body of this compressor. No air leaks. I remove these piston rings. The 3 rings go on here. I remove it from this piston and I order new ring for this air compressor. And these are the all rings which are taken out, go in a set. These are the top rings, this is the middle one, this is the bottom one. I'm going to replacement. These are new rings. This is the bottom ring. They came in a set. There's another. This is the middle ring. This is a third ring. I mean, this is a top ring. This is the oil ring. They go in a set. So I'm going to replace these one on this piston. Then I'm going to check it. There's no score marks in this sleeves, in this bar. There's no marks in here. Everything look fine. I just cleaned it up with normal brake cleaner which I use. I'm going to fit new air ring, piston ring, sorry. Piston rings. Clean this piston with a brake cleaner. Any get darts or anything, it should be removed. This is new ring. I'm trying to fit this on this. You can use normal flat screwdrivers, or you can use small pick to just rotate around, fit this on top of this piston. And they have small grooves as well, very tiny grooves. And these are piston rings, second piston ring which go middle one. This is a new piston ring. The bottom one is the old one. They have the grooves side. This is, you can't see on the camera, but the groove sides need to be facing down, and flat side need to be go facing up. This got grooves. There's tiny steps made on here. So it has to be in the right place before it's fitted in the cylinder, top of the pistons around. Align the piston rings, the gap side, put on the other side, and the 3 rings, one on the gap side. You can see I put it down here, and this got gap side, top ring got middle one here. I put it across here this side, so they're all aligning different place, not to lose any compression in the pistons, any pressure drops. This will help to prevent pressure drops when you align the piston rings opposite side to each other. Now I'm going to fit this sleeve bore system back place. Now here's a bore sleeve fitted back on top of this piston, now fitted properly, and location of the bolts on this bottom side as well. I'm going to put this 2 bolts back in there, check taken up from here and from this side as well. Going to tie it equally. Then I'm going to test it on this compressor. I'm going to do the same thing with the other side as well. Going to replace this cylinder as well, piston rings. If anything need more doing it, like power sleeve, I'm going to change sleeve, but now I think it's just need to replace the piston rings, and that will hopefully that should run the compressor properly and no air leaks, no power loss. I'm going to put this back, everything has a reverse order, so everything will go back. Once this fixed, I'm going to show you how this compressor is running and proper functioning of this air compressor. Now everything back in place, cover everything, piston on top of the oil as well. As you can see from the side plug, all top of this plug is in place as well. Everything, we need to test this now. Now I'm going to start this up. Now I'm going to press this up. As you can see, it starts up fine. He's building up air in tank, and also he just done little bit amount of air on the regulator. It shows, but it's not a lot. It go up to 100 liters, functioning fine. Thank you guys.